Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simple Gardening. Today we will be discussing about organic pesticides versus chemical pesticides. Today, either in farming community or else home gardening, usage of pesticides has become a major rule. But is it safe? Let us see about the classification of major pests. This is sucking pest. Basically, sucking pest create a very huge damage on the crop. They suck the sap from the plant, making a huge economical loss to the farmer or else to the home gardener. Usually these pests are very minute in size, but the damage which is being caused by these pests are very huge. And the second type of classified pest is biting and chewing type of pest. Mostly caterpillars comes under this category. There are many types of caterpillars like Spodoptera, Helicoverpa, pod borer, fruit borer, capsule borer. So there are many types. Usually there will be almost 4 to 5 instars during the larva stage. Larva stage is the most dominant stage which causes damage to the farmer or else to the home gardener. This is a tomato hornworm. It completely defoliates the leaf. The second one is these are white flies. These suck the sap from beneath the leaves, due to which the leaf will be completely withered away. These are vectors for many viruses. These are aphids. Aphids, these also affect the fruit, leaf as well as the stem and suck the sap away from the plant. These are leaf miners. They bore into the leaf and they will scrape off the chlorophyll, and the damage is visible in the form of tunnels. These are mealybugs. They colonize on the stems of the plant or on the fruit, and they will suck the sap, due to which the plant will be withered away. Okay, let us see about organic pesticides. Neem tree is a tropical tree with a scientific name Azadirachtin indica. The most important component produced by this tree is azadirachtin. Next, neem oil is derived from the seed of neem tree. Neem oil has become very much popular due to its vast controlling power on the pest. This is actually smothers the pest. When it is sprayed on the pest, it will smother the pest. It will kill the eggs as it has ovicidal effect. With neem oil, there might not be immediate knockdown effect, but the pest control is very efficient on long term. Okay, let us see another biopesticide called as Bacillus thuringiensis. This controls caterpillar with first, second and third instars, but it is very effective and it is very safe for the environment. And the third type of biopesticide is NPV, nuclear polyhedrosis virus. Here they insert a virus into the plant, and if any caterpillar dies, they collect the caterpillar and use it to kill other caterpillars by creating a pesticide. As you know, the ingredients which are present in our kitchen are very effective in controlling pests like chili, garlic, onion, marigold, neem. These all are very effective. Concoctions should be prepared from these ingredients, and when sprayed on the pest, they are very much repelled away, and some pests are also killed by these homemade remedies. In next video, I'll tell you how to prepare these things. Okay, let us see about chemical pesticides. Here you will see the categorization of pesticides into 4 different toxicity levels. One is bright red, bright yellow, bright blue, bright green. It's better to avoid using bright red, yellow and blue. Green is a bit slightly toxic and it is a bit safety. Okay, so the remaining 3 are most dangerous to the environment as well as to the sprayer. Let us see few chemicals which are safer. This is spinosad. This is safe to the environment as well as to the beneficial insects as well as to the humans. And the second pesticide is flubendiamide. Flubendiamide is green labeled toxicity level chemical. This is very safe and it controls all type of caterpillars. The most important thing is, while we are spraying pesticides, we need to protect ourselves. So we need to wear personal protection equipment, because if we don't use these things due to drift or whatever, the pesticide will be it will fall on the person who is spraying, and it gives long-term effect on health. So at least we need to use some gloves, goggles, nose mask, and some sort of apron so that it protects from drifting on us. Let us see what happens when we spray pesticide. First, when we spray the pesticide, it is being absorbed by the crop during time. Some of it is vaporized into the atmosphere. Some of the pesticide is leached into the groundwater. Some of the pesticide is it will be run off into the lakes and rivers, and from that it will be deposited into the clouds, and during rain it will be sent back into the soil. As well as, due to our negligence, the pesticide is being mixed into the water streams, lakes, due to which it is very much negatively impacting on our environment. Fish, flora, fauna, everything is being impacted by these pesticides. Better to avoid chemical pesticides. Organic pesticides is a safer means to protect our environment, our health, as well as the beneficial insects. Let us see about the beneficial insects. There are many beneficial insects which control the pests. If you see honeybees, ladybugs, spiders, praying mantis, centipedes, butterflies, these all pests, they usually control the negative pests by feeding upon them. As a matter of fact, pesticides control only 20% of pests. Remaining 80% are being controlled by these beneficial insects. By spraying chemicals, these beneficial insects are very much impacted. And now let us see the differences between biopesticides and chemical pesticides. Chemical pesticides are harmful to non-target species like beneficial insects. They seriously pollute the environment. They are expensive, and by usage the pests become resistant. As well as, the food is being affected by having residual effect. Whereas biopesticides are safer, they are cheaper, they do not cause pollution, and they are very much benefit. And what are the benefits of using organic food? As you know, it prevents cancer, it tastes good, it boosts the immune system, prevents premature aging, reduces the heart diseases, as well as they are very much safe for the environment, ensure safe and healthy world for future generations. Soil is not polluted, water is not polluted. Overall, healthy organic food is healthy lifestyle. So friends, let us not spray chemical pesticides. Let us opt for organic mode of growing our food. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon for notification. Thank you. Bye.